In this video, we are discussing about the idea of distributed systems.
Distributed system. A distributed system is a collection of independent computers, nodes, connected through a network that communicate and coordinate with each other to achieve a common goal. To the user, the entire system appears as a single unified system, even though its components are physically distributed. The diagram shows. The centralized computer system is responsible for coordinating activities among all connected computers, sharing resources efficiently. The distributed system software runs on top of this setup and provides a single system view to users, handles communication, synchronization, and data sharing. Social media platforms use a centralized computer network, headquarters, that manages users, services, and data. The computers accessed by users act as autonomous systems that interact with the central system, making the overall architecture a distributed system. Distributed system software. Distributed system software enables multiple computers to coordinate their activities and share resources such as hardware, software, and data. It hides system complexity and allows the system to function as a single unified system. Database. The database is used to store processed data generated by each node or system in the distributed environment. It ensures data availability, consistency, and reliability across the network. Centralized system. A centralized system is one in which a single central computer controls all operations and stores all data. All other devices depend on this central unit for processing and services. Examples: mainframe systems, early banking systems. Working of distributed system. The diagram illustrates how a distributed application runs across multiple computers, nodes, connected through a network. The distributed application is the top layer that provides services to users. It runs across multiple computers instead of a single system. Each computer, node, performs part of the computation independently. The network connects all computers and enables data communication between them. Network. The network connects all computers in the distributed system. It allows nodes to exchange data, messages, and requests. Proper networking ensures reliable and efficient communication. Middleware. Middleware is a software layer between the distributed application and the computers. It enables communication, coordination, synchronization, and resource sharing among nodes. The diagram shows. The client is the user's system, laptop/PC/mobile. The user sends a request. Middleware acts as an intermediate layer between the client and the server. It receives the client request and handles communication. The groupware server provides collaborative services such as shared documents, messaging, calendars, and teamwork tools. The server sends the processed result back to the middleware. Middleware forwards the response to the client. The user receives the requested service. Computers, nodes in the distributed system. A distributed computer refers to each independent computer, node, in a distributed system. Each computer has its own CPU, memory, and OS. Works independently but coordinates with others. Communicates via message passing. Distributed application. A distributed application is a software program that runs on multiple computers, nodes, connected through a network but works together as one system. Different parts of the application run on different machines. The diagram shows. User queries first go to the load balancer, which distributes requests efficiently. The load balancer forwards requests to one of the multiple web servers. Web servers process the request and interact with the database when needed. This architecture improves scalability, performance, and fault tolerance. Advantages are scalability, reliability, fault tolerance, performance, resource sharing, geographical distribution. Disadvantages are complex to design and manage, More security risks. Higher chances of failure. Difficult to maintain consistency. Expensive hardware and network setup. Debugging and testing is hard.
The applications of the distributed system are cloud computing, web search engines, social media platforms, online banking and e-commerce, content delivery networks, CDN, communication and messaging systems, distributed file systems. Thank you.